Hello everyone and welcome to a new video and another new AI tool review. Now today the tool we are going to talk about is cohesive AI, and after having used it I feel it's a little not little, in fact I found it very useful, a little more useful than what ChatGPT could provide. So is it this going to be a real chat GPT killer? Let's try and understand. Before that, I would request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure you join the Telegram group because that's the place where you can get most of the update. Now coming up to the review part of it. So first you need to go to the homepage, which is cohesive.so, sign up, and the free option in itself gives you a lot of tools over here. So before we can go with some testing some of them, let's show you a preview of how the dashboard looks like once you sign up. You have a lot of templates, so let's go to ChatGPT over here. So you see with ChatGPT you have to give it the prompt over here, whatever you need, and it is going to kind of give you the results. This is also similar to it, but the difference is here we have been provided a ready-made template. So many a time the difficulty what we face is you don't know to give the correct commands or the correct script. So here there is a template, so you just choose your template, like whatever will be a use case, and then you are good to go. So if we select the random all, you can see various this thing over here: script for write a script for YouTube video, full blog generator, Instagram caption, Facebook and all. So let's see social media tools, which is there, the templates of social media tools: a script for YouTube, Instagram caption, Facebook post, LinkedIn post, tweet generator, script for writing a TikTok video, for Instagram reel, title if you want to choose a good title for a YouTube video. I have bookmarked a few as favorites, and let's review them and do a live demo very soon. So you can't do all motivational posts. If you want tons and tons of options over here on social media. Now sales, what are the options over here? So let's say you want to target cold mails. You can see I've gone and favorited over here. So let's whatever few I want to just show you. Cold mail, for example. Then support, if you are into support, FAQ generator, customer reviews and all. Writing assistant, if you want to find assistance in writing a full blog, you want to rephrase something, you want to write a story, etc. Education over here, if you want to generate a quiz, lesson plans, curriculum design, and HR, job description, interview questions, legal part if you want some thing written, terms of use, NDAs, legal advice, something you want to write, power of attorney, marketing tools. You have landing page, Facebook ads, Google ads, Amazon product descriptions, and voiceover ad email. So besides the text, you can see there is also voiceover over here. It's not just limited to text. So what I've done is, from these few categories, all these categories basically, not few, I have selected a few for us to test. So what I've selected over here is script for a YouTube video, presentation slides, cold email, quiz generator, Amazon speech generator, and terms of use policy. So let's try out a few from there. So let's go to the script for a YouTube video. So you can see when you click on that, you get a prompt: write a YouTube video script for, like for example, it's given a 3-minute guide for first time Europe travelers. So what I'm going to change this to 10 tips for newbie investors, and I'm going to exclamation mark. So target audience, I would say example here given is like enthusiasts, travel enthusiasts. Like in this particular, say I would say students basically are attracted, office goers, etc. Video length, let's say let's keep it to 3 minutes only. Reference link, you can provide a link if you want, so that it can be more concise. So links is what I will avoid. I'll say go. So it's, you can see here are the 10 tips you see over here. So it generated a YouTube video script for me. It's asking for an upgrade. I'll say remind me later. So basically I'd ask for 10 tips and it is giving you suggested video titles. So you can see, it's a breeze with some video description too. So I found the video description a bit short as compared to typical YouTube one, but you can always add the content from the tips over here. Now there are some impressive titles: how to start investing, 10 essential tips, ultimate guide to for investment tips, etc. And at the side of it, you can see you can generate voice also. Now let's see. Okay, are you just starting with a crypto journey? Interesting. Welcome to. Okay, let's try and generate voice for this. So you can see for each of this text over here, there's a footnote over here, and you can generate the voice. Language option you can select. Voiceover artist you can select. I'll say generate. It's generated.
Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with valuable information on personal finance and investment. In this video, we'll discuss the essential tips that every newbie investor should keep in mind. So let's get started.
So you can see a voiceover has been added. You can choose various languages which you're comfortable with. The voice artist you can choose over here. From here. You can change the speed, and you can even go ahead and download that particular article. Now come and let's review this particular script what is given. So the short one, introduction. So obviously you're going to be introducing your channel. It asks you for a visual introduction of speaker and the channel. So basically probably you might show your face or your channel over here. So the first and foremost tip for newbie investor is to set your financial goals, whether this is what it's given. So visual, a person jotting down finance. So it's even telling you what kind of an image should parallelly go along with it. Then short 3, understand the power of compounding. So it's talking about compounding and visual graphic representation of compounding it's asked you for. So what you can do is basically, if you can't find this thing, you can pick this up and go on Google search and find images which don't have any copyright and use it. So this is how you can see you have a ready-made template for your YouTube video. You can even use this template for your blog post for that matter. So let's go back. So we have seen a script for YouTube. Now presentation slide. So let's go over here. So create a presentation about saying climate change and for developing countries. I am going to say presentation about let's use the same thing, it's easier for it. Tips for, okay, let's say I'm using the 6 slides. Okay, 7 tips for new investors. I use the same. This purpose is a presentation, target audience, college students. Slides, I'm asking for say 7 slides. Reference link again you can give if you want, and go. So you see over here that since it is not a YouTube, this thing voiceover isn't over here. So here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tips. You can put each of these tips in one particular slide, and you can generate your presentation. So you don't need to type anything. There are options over here if you want to change the styling and all. Then let us go to the third option which I have selected. We have done cold emails. Now write a cold email, relationship building, networking. I will say introduction to new product launch. Target audience, subscribers, sent by, let's say, alpha beta company. Reference links you can, as I've said, you can give or you can exclude. I'm saying go. So here you see that it's given you a subject line, dear subscribers, blah 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 blah, at Alpha Beta Company. So if you had given your company's name, your company's name is also here. You don't need to think of where you can. Your signature carries your company's name. You just go ahead, you just copy the content over here, and you can go and paste it. So here again in the writing style, you can change the tone, whichever is there, whether you want it to be official, you want to be humorous. Change tone to, let's say, humorous, and let's see how the content changes. So you can see over here that the content generated over here, it's not so formal over here, and you can always compare it with the previous one over here. So let's go back. So then what all we can check? Cold emails, we've tested out. Quiz, I have not tested it out. Let me test it. Quiz, target the history of Taj Mahal. Okay, so target audience, school children, scoring 10, total 1 for, let's see, so you can see a quiz has been generated for you over here, MCQ kind, with questions and answers over here, and it's giving you the correct answers below. So here you go, you have your quiz over here. Like we're talking about who commissioned the construction of Taj Mahal, Emperor Jahangir, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Where is it? Shah Jahan and Agra, I guess. Let's test our this thing. Yeah. Okay. So here are this is where you can generate a quiz for your school, for your quiz, for some competitions. So favorites, this is a quiz. And Amazon product description, generate a product description for iPhone 14. Okay, let's keep it that only. iPhone 14 key features, example, what you want to talk about, say RAM, display, camera, tone, descriptive. You can give link to your product over here to give more precise. So you can see over here it has picked up this thing for from the iPhone, and it looks more generic as far as the Amazon product review is there. I would be more happy if we could give precise more specs over here. Then it would have been a job easier done, but at least the description part, it helps you writing, so you don't need to sit down and waste time on it. Now speech generator, speech we have already seen how it generates, but let's go ahead and massive growth of AI. Speech generator, importance of AI, duration speech, let's say 60 seconds, and go. So this is the speech which is there. Let's try and generate it in some other language if we can. I don't know, since the content in English, whether it can generate it in Hindi. Let's try it out. Otherwise, we just need to go to Google Translate, paste it and put it to get the actual voice generated. I expect it to read in English.
अपनी संभावना को पूरी तरह से प्राप्त
Wow.
करने के लिए हमें एआई के लाभ और चुनौतियों को समझने की आवश्यकता होती है और उसकी शक्ति को जिम्मेदारी पूर्वक हार्नेस करने का तरीका जानना होता है। समाज के लाभ के लिए एआई का उपयोग सुनिश्चित करना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। सही दृष्टिकोण से एआई हमें एक बेहतर भविष्य बनाने में मदद कर सकती है और मैं इसमें विश्वास रखता हूँ।
So you can see this is very beautiful over here. So you don't even need to a translator. You just go ahead and choose the language of your choice. Finally, one last, I think I've chosen all terms of use policy. Create a terms of use policy for, let's say, house on rent agreement. This was from the legal part of it. So supposing you need a bit of help, of course, this is not the final thing. So here what I can see over here is, although it is a good enough content, but this looks more of graphics, logos, images, more with the tech part of it and not with the rental part. So probably this was not the template which I should be choosing, and possibly there could be a right template for that. Legal or advice, terms of use, I don't know, which one should have been this thing. So all in all, basically I just wanted to show you the power of cohesive AI, various options over here, and vis-a-vis ChatGPT over here, what all you can do. I don't deny that ChatGPT is the pioneer over here. It's a more powerful tool, but I would be more comfortable using these templates, which gives me guidelines on how to get the best of the AI. I would like to know your feedbacks on it. Like, what do you feel is better, cohesive AI or ChatGPT? Do let me know your feedback in the comment section, and do subscribe to my channel to keep on getting such review videos and other earning opportunities. Do like this video, do share it across so that it can reach tons of people. Until the next video, take care and be safe.